In today's video, we are going to cover how to change your Gusto plan. Once you are signed in to your Gusto account, start by moving to the upper right corner of the screen and clicking your profile icon. This opens the account menu where plan options are located. From that drop-down menu, click Upgrade to go to the area where Gusto lists its available subscription plans. When the Plans and Pricing page opens, make sure the Plans tab is selected before you continue. This is the section that shows the plan choices available for your account. On this page, take a moment to review the listed plans, which may include options such as Simple, Plus, and Premium. Your current subscription will be labeled Current Plan, so you can quickly tell which one you are using now and avoid selecting the same plan by mistake. Next, find a plan you want to move to and click Choose Plan. This takes you to the Confirm Your Plan page, where Gusto shows the details of the plan you selected. Here, review the pricing, the features included with the new plan, and the estimated cost for your next billing cycle. This is the point where you confirm that the plan matches what you want before making the change. Below that, look for the Add-ons section. If you want to include any additional services with your new plan, select them here. If you do not want any extra add-ons, leave those options unchecked and continue. After that, scroll to the bottom of the page and click Confirm to apply the new plan selection. Once the confirmation is submitted, Gusto will take you to the setup page for your new plan. On the screen, you can choose which available features you want to start setting up right away. Depending on the plan and account options, this may include features such as next day pay, expenses, custom documents, or time tracking. Select any feature you want to begin configuring now. After making those selections, click Continue if you want to move forward with setting up the features you chose. If you would rather handle that setup later, click Skip for now instead. Both options allow you to proceed, but Continue starts the setup immediately, while Skip for now leaves those items for another time. That completes the plan change process inside Gusto, from opening the Upgrade menu to confirming the new plan and choosing whether to begin feature setup right away. Thanks for watching. Your Gusto plan is now changed and your new plan setup choice has been saved.